Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best paint pens for wood available in the market right now, the Betem 24 Colors Dual-Tip Acrylic Paint Pens. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, these pens promise to bring your creative projects to life. Stick around as we explore what makes these paint pens a must-have for your toolkit. Let's kick things off with an overview of what you get with the Betem 24 Colors Dual-Tip Acrylic Paint Pens. These markers come equipped with a dual-tip design, a 1 to 5 mm round nib for broader strokes and a 1 mm fine nib for detailed work. This versatility means you can tackle everything from outlining intricate designs to filling in larger areas with vibrant colors. What really sets these paint pens apart is their ability to work on a variety of surfaces. Whether it's wood, canvas, stone, glass, or ceramic, these pens deliver smooth, opaque ink that stays vibrant over time. The water-based ink is not only odorless but also acid-free, ensuring your artwork stays pristine for years to come. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Many artists and DIY enthusiasts rave about the ease of use with these pens. The upgraded cotton nibs allow for immediate use without the need for priming, and they dry quickly, which is a big plus when you're working on multiple projects. Plus, with 24 bright and vibrant colors to choose from, the creative possibilities are endless. In terms of value, these paint pens are a steal. Priced competitively, they offer a range of color options that cater to both beginners and experienced artists alike. Whether you opt for the 24 color set or larger packs, like the 36 or 48 color sets, you're getting quality at an affordable price. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to get the most out of your Betem paint pens. Always store them horizontally to prevent the tips from drying out. Shake the pens gently before use to ensure the ink flows smoothly. Experiment with different techniques, from stippling to blending colors, to unleash your creativity. And there you have it, a deep dive into why the Betem 24 Colors Dual-Tip Acrylic Paint Pens are a fantastic choice for any artist or DIY enthusiast. Whether you're decorating wooden signs, personalizing rocks, or creating custom gifts, these pens deliver on quality and performance. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and creative inspiration. Until next time, keep creating.